This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about sushi trays, specifically these Pulp Tech sushi trays and lids. We have 4 sizes to show you. The rectangle natural long sushi tray is 8 3/4 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. The rectangle natural small sushi tray is 6.5 inches long by 4.5 inches wide. The rectangle natural medium sushi tray, 7.25 inches long by 5 inches wide. And finally, the rectangle natural large sushi tray is 8.5 inches long by 5.25 inches wide. All of these trays feature a 3/4 inch depth. And you can see we have them paired with their corresponding matching lids. So these clear plastic lids are sold separately, and you can see that they're domed, so they give you nice headroom and some extra height for when you're packing in your delicious rolls. The trays are all made of repurposed sugarcane fibers, which are commercially compostable and biodegradable, making them a fantastic eco-friendly option for sushi trays. They can be used for both hot and cold foods, so they're great for things like sushi and sashimi, but also things like gyoza and dumplings or other appetizers. The trays are grease resistant as well, and these clear lids are fantastic for showing off your delicious maki and sashimi. They also can help to reduce mistakes and make your orders easier to pack up, since you'll be able to easily and clearly see what's inside. I love that they also have this nice open space, so if you want to put on anything like labels, stickers, or branding, there's plenty of room. They're both microwave and freezer safe, so they're perfect for reheating and storing of leftovers. And the trays are stackable as well, so they're a nice space-saving storage design that are going to be easy to keep on hand. They're a perfect way to give pre-packaged items or to-go orders a nice rustic yet elegant look, making these a great option for sushi restaurants or any establishment that does sushi to go.